Hi there. You're on a channel where biology becomes simple, clear, and truly alive. Biology is the science of life. It's about how cells are built, how genes work, why we breathe, grow, get sick, and recover. It's the story of everything living, from bacteria to humans. In this course, we'll journey from microscopic organelles to global ecosystems. We'll explore how our bodies function, why evolution is more than just a theory, and how we can protect nature without even leaving home. The videos are short, visual, and easy to follow. Perfect for high schoolers, students, or anyone curious about the world around them. Subscribe so you don't miss new episodes. And drop a comment with the topic you're most interested in. It might be the next video we make.